How to share your Trello board with team members. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this boards option, and then in here we'll have to scroll down, and then after that we'll have to select or open the board where we want to share with team members. So as an example, I'm gonna open this HR work, and then in here to share this board to team members, what we need to do is to tap on the share option. And then in here, we are now able to share this board to a team member. In here, you will be given two choices. It's either you add an email ad here or simply create a link. If you want to create a link, simply tap on this one. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then once it's done, simply tap on this copy link option. Once you have the link, you can now use that link to share with team members. You can either open your email or simply share the link with any messaging application. So that's how easy we can share Trello board with team members. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.